Okay, you should be able to hear me. Please let me know if you can hear me. Yeah, please let me know if you can hear me. So, okay, you should be able to hear me. Please let me know if you can hear me. Yeah, you should be able to hear me just fine. So, free Discord. So, let me just notify everyone we're live. Live right now. Okay. So, I'll drop you the link of the free Discord, which I recommend to join. It is free, and I usually throw some bangers here and there. So ask me anything to analyze. Great. And yeah, obviously, as always, feel free to ask me anything to take a look at or any question. I'll be happy to do so. So in the meantime, we'll just do our thing. Wow, it's hot. So okay. And pretty bullish week. It didn't start too bullish, but we're seeing some tech names. Yesterday was Nvidia. Today, which is, I mean, I've been tracking down Tesla, but overall, just huge gains, I have to say. Here, I did place a trade on the Dow Jones. So I've been tracking this down for quite some time now. A potential 1, 2, and then again 1, 2 to break this top here, this previous top, wave B, broke the wave B, third wave retracement, move higher. I took some longs here and there on this up move, and now again 1, 2, 3. It looks like we've added through wave move and we could be ready to resume higher. Place my stop here below 7 wave 1, and I'm looking for their upside. So we'll see how that goes. Obviously, mine's not financial advice, but so do your own diligence, but it's looking promising. The DAX here, moving expected. I am looking for a potential wave 2. Not sure. It looks like we might have had wave A, up for B, down for C, and we've added through wave move, and then after that we could see further upside. But so far so good. Looks like a 5-wave move. We'll see if this pullback will play out as through wave move. And then Nasdaq very bullish, moving expected. As you can see here, we're looking for upside. Again, very bullish. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Looking for this wave 3. So it makes sense that we're starting to get an exponential move. It shows aggressiveness to the upside. So it all makes sense. And just to show you why I recommend you guys join the Discord, which once again is completely free. That's what I posted. I posted on May 24th. That's what I said. That's what I posted on 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And on May 4th, I was expecting for wave 4 to be nearly completed, looking for further upside. So I said, looking for this pullback to be supported. Very brief explanation, and then the counter kind of spoke for itself. Looking for 4 and upside in 5. And as you can see, that was a 1-hour chart. So that was bottom for wave 4, upside for 5. So moving exactly as forecasted. Now we are near equality. We might react right around equality and then pull back. I will be looking for long sells on this pullback. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Again, any questions, Anything you want to take a look at, just ask. The meantime, I'll just do a quick roundup. And then gold. Let's take a look on gold. Again, 5-wave moving here. And I've been looking for downside. 1, 2, 3, or 5. So looking for the downside, we could be near a pullback, but then again, I would like to see further downside here on gold. Let's see. You moving lower, kind of expected. So I was looking for this potential wave B and wave C here. So one thing I would usually do, so I'll look for support within the golden box here. That's where we might get an up move. If not, then this might have been a 3-wave move. So guess we'll find out. And then what else? Oil moving kind of unexpected. Ideally, we do move a bit lower before resuming higher. That's what I would like to see. But yeah, we'll have to see, I guess. There. And then what else have we got? No, that's about it. Again, any questions, please let me know. And then Bitcoin here. I'm looking for something like a 1, 2, and then again 1, 2, which we'll need to investigate on. I don't think we've had a bottom here, even though, yeah, we didn't break it, but I know if that was some sort of wave 1 and 2, to be honest. I guess he might have been, but kind of dangerous. I think so. So we'll have to see about that. Ethereum a bit different. Looks like we might move sideways into this triangle. We'll have to figure it out. Solana moving kind of as expected. Looking for a 3-wave pullback into wave B. To then resume higher. So again, we'll need to see about that. Looking at some singular US stocks. So that's the analog devices, which I've been bullish on. It looks like we might get further upside here. So the best place where we could have bought was within the golden box. So after equality of wave C against A. But as you can see, you're looking for a, basically, it doesn't even need to be a diagonal actually. 5-wave move into wave 1, 3-wave move into wave 2. So now you could look for a break. Like this, and then upside resumption. But one wave at the time, as I like to say. Costco looking for the end of a wave 4 here. A large one indeed. Guess we'll see how that plays out. And then Tesla again. I've been tracking now for a while. It reacted off the golden box here, equality of minor wave 2. And it looks like we're unfolding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into wave 1. So wave 1 is currently longer. No, it's as long as wave 3. So we might just break this by a touch, pull back, and then resume higher. If that happens, I will be looking for longs. So we'll have to find out on that. What else? CrowdStrike, pretty bullish, but again looking for a pullback soon, which is why I'm expecting a pullback here into technology. So kind of technology having a break, while value just steps in and kind of takes the lead. The S&P moving kind of as expected. Looks like we might have had a sharp, could we had a quick wave 2? Would like to see another retracement, to be honest. Would be ideal. Yeah, was kind of what I'd like to see on the DAX. Again, any question, just please let me know. Or else I'll keep just. So let's take a look at the video also again a bit on today. Apple, it's quite confusing. Obviously it is bullish, but it looks like there's much more upside left. Microsoft, bullish. One, two. Looks like something like this. Similar to the Nasdaq. Okay, something like this. Amazon, to be honest, I was looking for a 3 waves here, so I am being bearish, but it keeps moving on, so I guess we'll find out. But still, there is a downside left, to be honest. And then Meta just keeps moving higher. Google, I was also not too bullish on Google. Looking for something like this. So we'll have to see on that. Broadcom, oh wow. Crazy upside. release earnings in March. Crazy. Intel kind of. So let's see. PayPal's been I think it's down 80% off the top. Yeah, 80%. It looks like with down A, potential triangle in wave B, we could be down into wave C. Now, with all honesty, the up move could also have been an A, B, and C. So I guess we'll have to see. But if this is also A, B, C, then we still can see upside. So yeah, we'll see about that. And then crazy. And in Spotify, I was looking for kind of an end to this 5-wave move, or I mean at least a pullback, but doesn't look like it wants to come. And then Exxon Mobil. Challenging count, I have to be honest. Not too sure. Coca-Cola, looks like we might have something like this. A 1, 2. So this could potentially also be a B, C. Not gonna lie, we'll have to find that out. So, or else a 1, 2 here. See, the golden box for Coca-Cola will be around here. B, C. Guess that's possible. And we'll find that out. Kellogg, looking for a pullback as we enter the box, and this looks like an ending diagonal, so like you're looking for upside on Kellogg. And what else? Again, any questions, please let me know, or if there's anything you would like me to take a look at. I'm happy to take a look at whatever you guys want. So yeah, it's Kellogg. In a notch. Oh, I think we could take a look at McDonald's, which I haven't seen in a while. Yeah, let's take a look at McDonald's. Interesting. What else? Can I show you guys? Let's see. See. Let's go back for a second. Interesting. This is tax. $15, yeah. We'll see if we do get for the downside. We'll see. Again, any questions? Anything you want me to take a look at? Also, don't forget to follow me here on TradingView. My username is EWFAlessio. You can find me there. And I usually post a few things, but obviously I do recommend joining the Discord, which is where I post the most. What else? Yeah. Portfolio. Spotify. Kellogg's. Yeah. So Kellogg's looks kind of good in a way. And I will be looking for upside here. It looks like we can expect upside. And yeah. Again, any questions? Anything you want me to take a look at? It's this is an emerging markets ETF, which November. All right, so guess I'm gonna call it a day. As always, thank you all guys for joining. Thank you if you're gonna watch this after it's been recorded. Again, join the Discord, highly recommend. So it's completely free and it costs you nothing. And I was always posting there daily. And then what else recommend you guys join? You guys follow me on TradingView. Again, any questions, anything I'm gonna take a look at? I'll look at Amazon. Nice, $6. All right, so hope you guys have a great weekend. Don't trade too much. Be safe. Any question, you can find me on the Discord. Hope to see you there, and I'll see you next week with a few videos.